Yes, children, good morning. And our topic for today is people around us. So, there are so many people who are living around us, and we take service from them. Different types of people give different types of services to us. Now, let us see one by one what are the different services, or who are the people who are living around us, and what service they are giving, and what service we are taking from them, and even what are the services we can give. Because some of your parents are also doctors, teachers, engineers, lawyers, business magnates. So many are there. So, like that, you are giving service to the society. This society is like give and take. Give respect, take respect. In the same way, give service, take service. So, as a human being, we should be helpful to others. We should give our service to others, and we should take service from others. Okay. Now, let us see one by one. So our topic is people around us. So there are different people who are living around us. And these are the keywords I gave you yesterday. Yes, teacher, doctor, policeman, fireman, milkman, greengrocer, barber, tailor, sweeper, plumber, carpenter, electrician. These are the few keywords from your course book. Okay, now each and every person is very, very important. Some of the people who give service are actually, why do they work, or where do they work? Different people, where do they work, and why should we work? What is the need to work? Why your parents should work? Yes, because to earn money. We need money to live in this society. Yes, we need money, we need food, we need shelter, everything. So our food, clothing, shelter, everything comes from money only. So we do some different kinds of works so that we get money. So with that money, we buy everything what we want. So there are many people who are living in our neighborhood. They work in different places. Everyone will not work in the same place. Okay, teacher will work in a school, doctor will work in a hospital, lawyer will work in a court. Yes, engineer will work in the different offices. Everyone will not come at same place, and some of them will have different types of clothes also, special dresses also. For example, a doctor wears a white coat, a lawyer wears a black coat. Yes, an engineer wears a different type of like a dress with a big hat on his head. Like that, different people wear different types of special clothes. Okay, now coming to one by one. First one, let us take teacher. A teacher teaches us different subjects and help us to develop good habits and manners. See, children, we go to school. Yes, we go to school to educate ourselves, to learn something, to educate, to learn. And like this, different teachers are there in the school, and each and every teacher are like they teach our different subjects. For example, you take science teacher will teach you science subject. English teacher will teach you English subject. Maths teacher, maths subject. Social teacher, social subject. Hindi teacher, Hindi subject. Sometimes different art and craft, music, yes, games, like the different teachers are available in the school. They all teach you different subjects. Not only subjects, sometimes we learn different games and sports also in the school, and even we develop good habits and good manners in the school. Already you will learn different good habits from your parents only, but when you come to school, no, you develop them. Whatever you are learning, or whatever it is coming from your parents, that you will develop in the school, because a school will have a discipline, a school will have a uniform. Why, you know why we give uniform to children? Because there are different types of people. Uniform means all together. When there is a uniform to school, every child look same. There is no difference in different children, because some of them may be very rich, some of them may be middle class people, some may be poor people. So not to differentiate the children, a school will have a uniform. So everything we learn in the school, and teacher makes us to learn all the good habits and good manners. Now coming to the next one, that is doctor, a very very important person in the society, because we can't expect a society without a doctor. Yes, because whenever we feel sick, or whenever we are not healthy, whenever we got any problem regarding our health issues, or whenever there is an injury, we go to a doctor. So a doctor treats us and gives medicines when we fall sick or when we get hurt. So whenever you are not well, means suppose you got fever, cold, cough, or any other problem, or any other emergency, so we rush to a doctor, and doctor treat us. He examines us and he give medicine for us. If it is a like very serious condition, then and there he will give injections. If it is okay, normal, just you got fever, then he will give some your small children, so you will be given some tonics or some medicines, that's all. So like that, for different cases doctor will treat the patients, and he will give the medicines, and he will treat us. He is a very very important person. Next coming to policeman. Policeman is also one of the important person in the society. We are very, see, nowadays we are very happy in the society. We don't have any problem. No one will disturb us. That is because of police only. So suppose if you got any problem also, you can go and complain in the police station. If your neighbors are not good, or if you are facing any problem in your neighborhood, or if anyone is coming and disturbing you continuously, so you can go and give a complaint. So and so person is coming and disturbing so and so problem in our street, so please come and resolve our problem. And even this policeman will go and catch the thieves, robbers, and they even provide safety for us. Okay, so policemen give safety to the society. And fireman. Yes, because a fire engine consists of a fireman. Yes, different pipes, water, ladder, everything. So the fireman, whenever we call, he will rush and come, and he will put off the fire. The fireman will put off the fire. He will help in putting off the fire wherever there is an fire burn. He rush with a fire engine, and he put off the fire. And very, very important thing, every morning we are drinking milk. Then how do you are getting that milk for you? How you are getting that milk? A milkman. Nowadays, no, everyone is taking this milk packets and all. But previously, no, in olden days or in earlier days, yes, like earlier days, olden days, there was no milk packets. And a milkman used to come to every house and give milk for us. Yes, the milkman will give milk for us. He will take the milk from the cow, and he will give for the people who are living in a particular street. Okay, the milkman will give milk for us. Next, you have big hair. Yes, you got a big hair. Now, for example, you are a boy and your hair has grown along. Now it is very irritating and itching for you. Now where you will go? You have to go to a barber, a person who gives a haircut to you. Now sometimes nowadays girls are also doing a haircut because they want to look very beautifully with different designs. So girls also will take a haircut. So you go to a barber, that barber will give you a haircut. So the person who gives a haircut for you is called as a barber. You call him as a barber. Now, next, you want to purchase some vegetables and fruits. Where you will go? You have to go to a market, and in the market there are different green grocers. Grocers are the persons who sell vegetables and clothes for us, who sell vegetables and clothes, sorry, vegetables and fruits for us. Okay, green grocer will sell vegetables and fruits for us. We go to the green grocer and we purchase whatever the vegetables we want or whatever the fruits we want. We purchase from the green grocer. He is a person who sells vegetables and fruits. Next, coming to tailor. You want to look very beautifully. or you want to stitch a beautiful dress for your birthday, or you want to buy a beautiful dress for your birthday. So nowadays you are going for shopping and everything you are getting a ready made. But now, like previously, no, when we are small, we don't have this much ready made dresses. So we used to go to a tailor and take the stitchings of our like measurements. We used to give our measurements and dress material for that person. Yes, he is called tailor. He used to stitch our clothes. Nowadays, it is not that much big problem because everything we are getting ready made. But even sometimes in special occasions, like festivals, functions, marriages, or still any other functions. Now, people they are going to the tailor and they will take a special care to stitch their dresses. And this person, tailor, will stitch our clothes according to our measurements, our body measurements. He will take all the body measurements and he will stitch our clothes, either a male or a female tailor, both. Okay, male will stitch for gents and female will stitch for ladies, like that a tailor stitches our clothes. Now coming to the next one, your neighborhood is very clean, your roads are very clean, yes, your street is very clean, your area is very clean. How it is possible? That is possible only because of the, yes, sweeper. A sweeper is a person who always sweep your street and he keeps your street and everything clean. He removes all the he removes all the dust from your street, whatever you are throwing in the dustbin. They come and collect. Nowadays, a van is also coming, no, daily. A van comes in the morning and it will take whatever the waste material we are throwing, we can throw that waste material in the van. So a sweeper, he keeps our neighborhood, he sweeps the street and he keeps our neighborhood and our streets, our area, everything clean and green. Now coming to the next one, that is electrician. Electrician is a person, for example, you take now you're constructing a new building. You want everything get ready. Now your construction finished, but there is no power supply or there is no current supply. Then how? How you will watch your TV, how you will use your mobile phone, how you will use your electrical appliances, everything. So for this you need a electricity. So this electrician, he comes and he gives all the connections. He fixes and repairs the fans, switches. He gives connections. First of all, he give all the wire connections to your house, and he will give all the connection to the switchboards and to the main thing. Main will be there, no, main current supply, main current board. So he will give all that connections. He will fix and repairs everything. Yes, he will fix the lights, fans, switches, ACs, coolers, fridge, everything, whatever the electrical appliances we are using in the house, the electrician comes and fix. First he fixes all the wires in our house. Yes, then he fixes that wires to the switchboards. Then he will give the current supply, power supply to the switchboards. And he will, even if you got any repair also, you can call him and you can show to him, so that he will repair that any problem and he will make you sure that fan or light is working or not. Okay, an electrician is a person who fixes, repairs the lights, fans, and switches. Now, coming to the next person, plumber. Plumber is also very, very important because this person will fix all the water connections in your house. You are having a big water tank on your top terrace. Now, he will give all the pipe connections to that water tank, and wherever you open the taps, he will give all the connections, tap connections, he will give pipe connections, he will give everything. That is the reason wherever you open taps you will get water. So the taps he will fix in kitchen, bathroom, washroom, outdoor, everywhere. Suppose if there is a garden in your house, he will fix one tap in the garden also, because you have to give water for the plants. So he will fix all the pipes and everything, and he will sometimes if there is any repair, because after using so many times it is very common that your taps will get repaired. So this plumber will come and he will repair the taps, fix the taps, If there is any leakage in the taps or pipes also, he will fix and he will repair that leakages. A plumber is a person who fix the water taps and repairs the leaked pipes. Okay, children, fine. Now, a baker. You want to eat a good what do you call I sorry this cake. You want to eat a cake, or you want to purchase, or you want to buy a cake for your birthday. Where you will go? You will go to a bakery and you will ask a particular flavor. Whatever the flavor you want, you will ask. And the person who bakes a cake is called a baker. Okay? Baker is a person who bakes a cake and biscuits also. So whatever the food items we are getting from bakery, everything is done by a baker. He prepares and he gives everything, and we go and purchase this type of things in the bakery. Next, a postman delivers letters to us. So we are writing letters to our relatives or friends or any person who is very close to us. So we write letters. Nowadays we are talking in the mobile phone and we are doing video calling. But like in previous days, no, this mobile facility was not there. Only the thing is we need to write letters to our beloved ones. So whatever the letters we are writing, the postman delivers these letters to us. Okay, children. Next, coming to carpenter. A carpenter is a person who give all the furniture work in your house. He will do all the furniture, the doors, windows, cupboards, benches, tools, whatever it may be. The carpenter will do all this carpentry work. He will give a good finishing for your furniture. So these are the different people who are helping us in our daily life. They give us different services. So once again, children, teacher is a person who teaches different subjects, and he help us to develop good habits. Doctor treats us and give medicine. Policeman, he protects our society. He provides safety and protects our society. Fireman puts off the fire. Milkman supplies milk to our house. Barber will give you a haircut. Greengrocer will sell vegetables and fruits for you. A tailor stitches our clothes according to our measurements. A sweeper keeps our neighborhood clean. Electrician fixes and repairs lights and switches. Next. A plumber fixes water taps, and even he repairs the leaked pipes. A carpenter builds furniture from wood, means he prepares all the different types of furnitures like doors, windows, cupboards, everything. Next, a baker bakes cakes and biscuits. A postman delivers letters to us.